Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your Nimsha Davis. And in this channel, Career Talks with Dr. Nimsha Davis, in this channel, we are going to discuss about your career tips or interview question and answers, interview preparation, and all. Okay, so let's get started. One second, let me present the screen first. If you're a fresher who's preparing for your first job interview, there is one question that you will almost definitely face. Tell me about yourself. This looks like a simple question, but your answer can create the first impression in front of the interviewer, right? But many candidates make mistakes by explaining unnecessary details or simply repeating their resume. And in this video today, we will learn the correct structure to answer the question professionally for three popular technology roles that are data analyst, data scientist, and AI engineer. So let's get started. Okay. So when an interviewer asks this question, they are not asking for your complete life history. They are not asking for you to repeat your resume, right? They just want to understand first your educational background, second your technical skills, third your confidence and communication skill, and finally whether your profile matches the role that they are hiring for. So remember, your introduction is your first opportunity to show your value to them, to create the first impression. Fine. So to create a strong answer, we have to follow a simple five-step structure or five-step formula. First one, you have to start with your name and qualification. You have to introduce yourself. Second, you have to mention your degree and your specialization. Third, talk about your skills which is relevant to the particular job. Okay, if you are applying for data analyst, you have to talk about the data analyst skill, right? You don't have to talk about I know designing, I know Adobe XD, I know HTML, CSS. You don't have to talk like that, right? You have to explain or you have to talk about the relevant skill to the particular job. Fine. And the fourth one, explain practical work or project that you have done. And you can end by explaining your interest in the role and how you want to contribute your career goal. Fine. So a simple formula to remember is past, present, and future. Past means your educational journey and your learning background, learning journey. And present means your current skills, project, certification, and your practical knowledge. And the future means your career goal and how you want to grow in the particular organization. Fine. So this structure keeps your answer professional and well organized. Okay. Now let's start with the data analyst fresher introduction. A data analyst should highlight skills like Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI, data visualization, data cleaning, data analysis. Okay, so these are the simple project explanation. Like we can say, I have developed skills in data analysis using tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI. And during my academic journey, I worked on projects where I collected data, cleaned, analyzed, and visualized it to generate meaningful insights. Something like that. Fine. We have to explain the project structure to them. We have to explain the problem, tools, process, and the result, what we got from that. Okay. And this is the sample introduction. Tell me about yourself that you can give us an answer to the interviewer for a fresher data analyst role. So first of all, you have to say thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Nimisha Davies, and I recently completed my degree or recently completed MCA in artificial intelligence. I have developed strong skills in data analysis using tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI. Then we have to explain the project that we have worked on. So if you don't have any experience, you are a fresher, right? So just say about your academic project. Just say about your academic journey. Okay. Then explain about your project, what all tools that you used, what all skills that you used. Okay. And finally, just explain the what result you got from. We created a dashboard to help understand the patterns and support decision making. Okay. Then you have to explain about the future goals of yourself. Fine. And how can you contribute to the particular organization. So you can take a screenshot of this and you can update using your own details. Good. Okay. And second, let me again explain about the project structure once more, because when we are explaining a data analyst project, we have to follow this format. First, we have to explain the problem, what business or real world problem that you are solving. Okay. Second, we have to mention the tools that we are used: Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI. Third, we have to explain your process: data collection, data cleaning, data analysis, and dashboard creation. Finally, we have to explain the result. For example, how your analysis helped to identify the trends or support decision making. Okay, we have to follow this project structure. It is very, very important. Fine. This is the project structure for data analyst project. Clear? Okay. So just take a screenshot of this. Now let's look at a data scientist fresher introduction. So the important skills to highlight are Python, SQL, statistics, machine learning algorithm, data preparation, and model evaluation. So we can say like this. Thank you for the opportunity. Let me take that 1 second. Yeah. My name is Nimsha Davis and I completed my degree in MC in AI, and we can explain like this. Okay, just take the screenshot of this. Clear? Okay, now I explain about the data science project explanation. 1 second. Okay, so for a data science project, we have to explain the project using machine learning workflow. Okay, in DA, we follow this structure, right? Data analyst, we have followed this structure, but for data scientist, we have to follow a machine learning workflow. Okay, ML project flow. So we can start with the problem definition. What problem that we are solving? Then we can go for the data collection. Where did the data come from? Okay, then we can move to data cleaning. That is, how did you handle missing values or duplicate values and prepare your data? Okay, and third one, feature engineering. What important features did you select? Then model training. Which algorithm did you use? Then model evaluation. How did you measure your performance? So this shows the interviewer that you understood the complete machine learning life cycle, right? So you have to follow machine learning project workflow if you are explaining data science project. Clear? Okay. So again, take a screenshot of this and you can update your own as your own. Fine. Now let's discuss the AI engineer role. So the important skills are Python, machine learning, deep learning, neural network, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and generative AI. These are very, very important skills that you have to highlight. Okay, so this is a sample introduction that you can give as an answer. So take as a screenshot. Okay, so when explaining an AI project, we have to follow this pipeline. First, we have to define the problem. Second, prepare and process the data preparation. Third, select and develop the model. Fourth, we have to train and test the model. Finally, we have to deploy the solution. Okay, so you have to explain your own contribution to this process. Okay, now the interviewer want to know what you worked on. not just what the entire team did. You have to explain your own contribution. Maybe you have done only data preparation part. So you have to explain that part. Clear? Okay. And yeah, now let's discuss some common mistake that you have to avoid. First mistake, sharing personal informations like family details or background too in-depthly. Okay. Secondly, repeating your resume word by word. They already have your resume, so you don't have to repeat your entire resume, right? So third, saying I don't have experience because I am a fresher, I am a recent passer. Don't say like that. You have to as a fresher, you have to explain your project, or maybe your internship, or your course that you have done, certifications, or your learning journey, your academic journey, as you can explain that as your experience. Don't say that I don't have any experience. Okay, don't say that. Another mistake is you are giving a very long answer. Just keep your introduction between 60 to 90 seconds. Okay, don't go for a 5 to 10 minutes introduction. Clear? And also, I have given you a three screen sample for data analyst, data scientist, and AI engineer, right? So don't memorize it like a script. um, don't go and say thank you for the opportunity, my name is Nimsha Davis and I studied MCA. Don't say like a script. Just just speak like that you are talking to a colleague. Okay, interview is not your viva. Interview is just we are discussing about what I know, what they want, what I can contribute. Just it's a discussion only. It's not a viva. It's not a question and answer session. Clear? Okay. So to give a confident answer, we have to practice your introduction regularly. Clear? Then we have to maintain a eye contact with them. We have to speak clearly and mention the skills which is relevant to your job. And you can connect your project with the role that you are applying for. Remember, confidence comes from preparation. So prepare well for your interview. Okay? So before attending any interview, just remember this formula. Who you are plus what you know plus what you have built plus what you can contribute, what value you can bring to the particular company. Okay, so this combination creates a powerful introduction. Clear? So here's a simple challenge for you. Just record yourself answering this question. Tell me about yourself. Then watch it again. Then check your confidence. Is my answer within 90 seconds? Did I mention the skills that need for that particular job? Did I explain my project? Did I clearly mention my career goal? Okay, so practice until you feel confident. Clear? So you can write, you can connect me on my Instagram or on the comment section, that you can ask what question that you want next to answer. Clear? Okay, fine. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this session helps you to prepare a better answer for your next interview. And if you found this video useful, subscribe to my channel Career Talks with Dr. Nimsha Davis, as well as this one, Dr. Nimsha Davis. Okay, please subscribe both of this channel. And in this Career Talks with Dr. Nimsha Davis, we will cover interview question and answers, career guidance, resume tips, job preparation, technical interview preparation, and all. And that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.